The first auto-graded assignment that you have is apply your skills 2-1. And what it wants you to do is after you've done everything up to that point, 2-1, it wants you to print a chart of accounts. So let's take a look at what can happen if you don't use the classic view. So you're going to go to chart of accounts, and by now you're very familiar with getting to the chart of accounts. And we're using a sample company. This is our chart of accounts. There's some transactions, there are some amounts. And if you go straight up here to run report, you are currently in the modern view at this point. How do you know that? Because it says switch to classic view here. Now, in order for your auto grading to work properly, you must switch to classic view. Let's take a look at what the report will look like if you do not go to classic view. So you go to print, export to Excel. We're going to open it. And this is what your report will look like. It'll be all the way over here to the left. It'll have Craig's design, or it'll have Puppy Love. It'll have your name on it. And all this information will be here. However, this is not the report that it will grade. Let me show you what the classic view looks like. So we go to classic view. It immediately changes its appearance. Notice how it just changed its appearance. Here we're going to go to export to Excel. And we'll open that. And notice how it looks different. If you are getting a 0 on this grade, you are not in the classic view. This will be the classic view where the column A will be blank. And if everything else is correct, it's going to grade this line, and I believe it's going to grade one other line, and I think it might be a prepaid expense. I am not sure. But it's only going to grade 3 lines. And so you can still be incorrect in some of the things that you've done and get a good score. However, these are the 2 primary areas that it's going to be looking for. So let's try to get this right and build our confidence.